Welcome to Green Corner AU, your go-to space for all things urban gardening and small backyard magic. Here, we show you how to turn even the tiniest balcony, patio, or backyard into a lush, thriving green oasis. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and join our growing community. Let's bring more green into our cities, one small space at a time. The third section of the theme, Composting in Apartments with Limited Space, we discussed about getting beyond the basics to dealing with food waste. Tackling food waste is an essential step toward building a more sustainable lifestyle. But for many city dwellers, the journey goes well beyond basic recycling and composting. While composting at home is an admirable goal, apartment living presents a unique set of challenges. Small kitchens, a lack of private outdoor space, and the inconvenience of dealing with food scraps in tight quarters can make traditional composting methods, like backyard bins or pile systems, almost impossible. Many apartment residents turn to alternatives such as worm bins, vermicomposting, or bokashi buckets. However, these systems aren't designed to handle all types of food waste. For instance, worm bins are great for fruit and vegetable scraps, but should not include meat, dairy, bones, or even some types of tea bags. Bokashi bins do a better job with a wider range of materials, but items like large bones or greasy food tend to break down slowly or attract pests. These limitations can be discouraging, leading some to toss tricky items directly in the trash. But there are better options. The key is to maximize the impact of your at-home efforts while finding effective ways to handle what can't go in the bin. One of the most practical solutions is to connect with local food waste drop-off programs or community composting initiatives. Many cities now offer municipal composting sites where residents can bring their food scraps, including items that are difficult to process at home. Some community gardens also partner with residents to accept compostable materials in exchange for healthy soil to nourish their plants. Finding these resources often starts with a simple online search. Many city governments provide detailed maps or directories outlining where you can drop off food scraps and what items are accepted. For example, if you're living in New York City, the Department of Sanitation operates smart composting bins across the boroughs. These bins, accessible with a simple registration process, allow residents to deposit a wide range of organic materials, including small bones, citrus peels, and even some paper products that aren't suitable for worm or bokashi bins. Similarly, in San Francisco, residents can take advantage of the city's curbside green bin program, which handles all organic waste, including items inadvisable for home composters, such as meat and dairy products. If you don't find a city-run program, look for grassroots efforts. Community gardens, farmers markets, and local food co-ops frequently coordinate composting drop-offs. Local environmental groups might also organize collection days for harder-to-compost materials. It can be rewarding to get involved, and these initiatives often offer a chance to learn more about sustainable waste management and connect with like-minded neighbors. While expanding your composting network, it's crucial to recognize the importance of proper disposal. Not everything is compostable, even at large municipal facilities. Items like plastic-lined tea bags, synthetic fibers from produce stickers, or compostable plastics that require industrial processing can spoil a load by introducing contaminants. When in doubt, check with your local provider or program coordinator for updated guidelines. Separating out these non-compostables ensures that the final compost product is safe, rich, and truly beneficial for the environment. Remember that contamination can slow down the composting process and even make whole batches unusable. Dealing with food waste in the city may require a little more effort and creativity, but your actions contribute to a larger movement toward reducing landfill waste and building healthier communities. By using a combination of smart at-home composting, leveraging community resources, and following best practices for disposal, you not only minimize your own impact, you help make it easier for everyone to move forward towards a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.